Hello everyone and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is paper pumpkin time. This month is May 2022, celebrating in color kit. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So we take out our tissue and what we have is our instructions for the celebrating in color paper pumpkin kit. So we've got 10 envelopes, two in each of the in colors. We have the Tahitian Tide, Orchid Oasis, Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, and Parakeet Party. So we can make 10 different projects, or sorry, 5 projects, but 10 cards in all. We've got our instructions here. Project number 1, project number 2 and 3, and 4 and 5. And then we have an overview on the back side with all of the pieces in it, and an overview of the contents here, as well as some out-of-the-box projects as well. So this is 10 cards in envelopes. And what you can see in here is you can actually add the piece in to make them a gift card holder as well. The coordinating colors, of course, Orchid Oasis, Parakeet Party, Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, and Tahitian Tide. So it's also an advert for next month's paper pumpkin, which is called Pick of the Crop. So looking forward to seeing that. In our supplies, we have some sticky strip, some mini dimensionals, and some matte dots in the in colors. We've got a basic gray stamp spot. We have our stamp set. It says happy and you with some scatter dots, just for to celebrate your day, to have you in my life. You make me and can do anything. So you can do anything. You make me happy just for you. To celebrate your day, you could say happy to celebrate your day. Happy to have you in my life. So really, really versatile little stamp set in this one. And here we have got punch outs for the cards. And then some more. And oh, aren't these gorgeous? Look at the golden glitter on there. And we've got more die cuts that we can punch out and card faces. And then these are the little gift card inserts we can put inside the cards. And there we go, just like that. And then we have some more card fronts. Oh, and look at these. Best wishes, happy, and then a couple of you, another happy. Wow, very, very nice. And then our little greeting pieces that we can cut out. And then we've got, I'm gonna have to put these down, it's too much to hold on to. So we've got those 2 card fronts, and then we have those 2 card fronts. What else do we have in here? Oh, are these are blank ones, but they've got an edge on them, a decorative edge. And then we have more blank ones that we're going to build with. And then we have our in color envelopes. And the design goes all the way to the bottom. So I can absolutely see me doing some work with the inside of the envelopes. And that is everything that is in the May Paper Pumpkin Kit for 2020 called Celebrating in Color. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the projects themselves.